Hey there, universe nerds. One of humanity's oldest questions is also the simplest. Are we alone? For centuries, people have looked at the stars and wondered if someone, somewhere, might be looking back. Today, science is no longer asking if life could exist elsewhere, but where to look for it and how to recognize it when we find it. The search for alien life is one of the most exciting frontiers in astronomy, and it's happening right now. First stop, our own solar system. While Mars looks barren today, it wasn't always that way. Billions of years ago, Mars had rivers, lakes, and possibly even oceans. NASA's rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance are searching for signs of ancient life in Martian rocks. If we ever find fossilized microbes on Mars, it would prove life isn't unique to Earth. And if it happened twice in one solar system, it could happen everywhere. But Mars isn't the only candidate. Some of the most promising places for life are icy moons. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, has a thick ice shell covering a global ocean of liquid water. The same is true for Saturn's moon, Enceladus, which even shoots water vapor into space through giant geysers. Scientists have detected organic molecules in these plumes. Imagine entire alien oceans hidden beneath ice, possibly teeming with microbes or even more complex life. Looking beyond our solar system, the search for exoplanets has exploded. In the last 30 years, astronomers have confirmed over 5,000 planets orbiting other stars. Some of them are Earth-sized, sitting in the habitable zone where liquid water could exist. Worlds like Kepler 452b or TRAPPIST-1e are prime candidates. Telescopes like James Webb are beginning to analyze their atmospheres, looking for gases like oxygen, methane, or water vapor that could be biosignatures, chemical hints of life. But here's the tricky part. Even if we find unusual chemicals in an atmosphere, it doesn't automatically mean aliens. Volcanoes, sunlight, and chemistry can mimic the same signals. That's why scientists are careful, building a checklist of multiple signs before making any claims. Still, the fact that we can even look for life on planets dozens of light years away is mind-blowing. And then there's the possibility of intelligent life. Projects like SETI, the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, scan the skies for radio signals or patterns that nature can't explain. So far, no confirmed alien messages have been found, but there have been intriguing signals, like the famous WOW signal detected in 1977. Was it interference, or was it a whisper from the stars? We may never know, but SETI continues to listen with ever more sensitive instruments. Here's another possibility. Maybe alien life doesn't want to be found. Some theories suggest advanced civilizations could be deliberately quiet, hiding their presence. Or maybe they exist at scales we can't detect, in forms of energy, or even in dimensions beyond ours. The silence we observe is sometimes called the Fermi paradox. If the universe is full of stars and planets, where is everybody? The answer might come sooner than we think. Missions planned in the next decades will explore Europa and Enceladus directly, flying through their plumes to sample the water. New telescopes will scan exoplanet atmospheres in detail, searching for biosignatures. Every year, our ability to detect alien life improves. The discovery might not be a spaceship landing on Earth. It could be as small as a microbe in Martian soil, or an unusual chemical fingerprint on a distant planet. So, are we alone? Right now, we don't know. But here's the exciting part. For the first time in history, we're close to answering. Whether life is common or rare, microbial or intelligent, finding even the smallest evidence would be one of the greatest discoveries in human history. Until then, Every star you see could be a sun with its own worlds, its own oceans, maybe even its own stories. And that thought alone makes the night sky feel a little less lonely.